Hey tubers, Ghost Wolf 86 here at the river with the freighter Cuyahoga. So we're going to follow the Cuyahoga as she goes down the river. We're waving to her to see if she'll salute. Oh wow, there's two other ships. The Calypso, and behind it is the James R. Barker. Are we gonna hear a salute? I don't know. The Calypso and the Cuyahoga will be passing each other momentarily. There's crewmen walking on the Cuyahoga, so that's even better. Okay, we might get the honk. Oh, the Cuyahoga and the Calypso are gonna pass. Port side to port side. Okay, here we go. Tubers, this is an awesome moment. The Cuyahoga from Canada and the Calypso from, I think, Cyprus. Don't quote me. In the far distance, I don't know if you can see yet, but there's the James R. Barker. Hello, Calypso. We're gonna film you now too. Thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye, and enjoy the video of the Cuyahoga and a brief little video of the Calypso. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows what I'll come up with next.